Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add text on image in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our image. Now click on it and then you see edit image. So click on it. Now Photo Studio open. On left side you see multiple option and then you see text. So click on it. And then you see text style. So we are going to add text on image, so you can select according to requirement. Now select this. Now you see text is added, so you can select font. Also you can select font size, and then you see style, alignment, opacity, rotate and flip. So you can do setting according to requirement. So we are going to add text. Now click on it. Now add text according to requirement like this. So current color is black. Now you see text color, background color. So you can add text color and background color according to requirement. And also if you want, you can change position like this. So you can move text position according to requirement and then click on save. Now saving. Now you see text is added on image. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.